The Find and Replace tool in Word is very powerful. You can use it to search not only for text, but for the formatting that may be applied to text. This quick tip explains how you can search for just the formatting you need. Word has a powerful search capability that you can use to search not only for text, but also for any formatting you have applied to that text. You do this by using the advanced Find and Replace capabilities of the program. Display the Home tab of the ribbon, and then click the down arrow next to the Find tool in the Editing group. You want to choose Advanced Find. That displays the Find and Replace dialog box. Make sure that you click on the More button if it's available, and that expands the dialog box to its full size. If there's anything in the Find What box, make sure that you delete it so that it's completely empty. And if there's a No Formatting button available down here at the bottom, make sure that you click on that as well. You want to click on the Format button and then choose Font. That displays the Find Font dialog box. Notice that all the character attributes, such as strike-through, double strike-through, superscript, subscript, all of those, that they show as filled in completely. The checkboxes are filled in completely. This means that those attributes don't matter. They are ignored by Word when actually searching. What you want to do is select the character attributes that you want your matched text to have. So, for instance, if you wanted to find something that says, superscript, all you would have to do is click on it until there is a check mark there, and that means that Word will match any text that has the superscript format set. You can click on it again if you want to clear it completely, meaning it doesn't have superscript, or click on it one more time, and now it's back to the I don't care phase in the search. You can use any of these controls in this dialog box to specify the characteristics of the text that you want to search for. We'll do a simple search to show how this works. Let's say that I just want to search for any text that's in italic. Well, all I would have to do is click on italic right up here, and then I click on OK. And now notice that underneath the Find What box, it shows that the font needs to be italic in order to match what I'm searching for. Since I have nothing in the Find What box, this means that I'm going to find any words or any text that has the italic attribute applied to it. So at this point, all I have to do is click on Find Next, and we'll move this over just a little bit. You can see that it found the first instance of italic text within this document, and it highlighted it. At this point, I can dismiss the Find and Replace dialog box if I want to go on with editing at this point, or I can just click on Find Next to find the next instance within the document. And I can keep clicking on Find Next until I get to exactly the text that I want. And then, like I said, all you have to do is dismiss the Find and Replace dialog box, and you're at your document within that point, and you can do any editing that you need to do. Now remember, in this example, we only searched for text that had the italic attribute set. But you'll remember that there was a lot of attributes within that Find Font dialog box. Anything that I would have set in there would have been used in searching for text, and I can find exactly what I want by specifying to Word exactly the formatting that I'm looking for. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, you might consider signing up for my Word Tips newsletter. Every weekly issue is free, and it includes great tips that you can put to work right away. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.